Hello, it's Jim Ryerson from Sales Octane, and last week I shared an easy way to get your voice out there on LinkedIn. And there's now a video, it's video 192 on Shot of Octane. It's free to walk you through the process. And some of the feedback we received after last week was, what do I say in those 12 seconds? Basically, your value proposition. Now, I love the work done by Donald Miller around developing these one-liners, your story. And as you can see in the YouTube clip on the newsletter, he uses the movie industry to frame up basically how to create tight one-liners. Now, in the business world, your one-liner, whether you're business to business or business to consumer, is basically who you help, the problems those people are experiencing, how you solve the problem, and how they improved as a result. Obviously, that's tough to get into 12 seconds, but you can use this approach when you're networking, on your website, and emails. But I want you to start with the 12 seconds. So there's a link on the newsletter to access video 192, and I'm going to be creating more videos on the one-liner for the Sales Pro to help you in your business development efforts. So take that first step, and I'll see you at the finish line.